From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I come to you to discuss a very important matter. In a sting operation that we have carried out today, a top cabinet minister in Maharashtra has said that I will be fixed in the fake TRP scam. I repeat, he has said that I will be fixed in the fake TRP scam. He says that I will be trapped. I repeat, Arnab फंस जाएगा, Arnab को फंसाया जाएगा. I will be trapped. Presumably with false evidence, fabrication, etc. But not just this. This cabinet minister has also said that it is very likely that after all this, after I'm fixed, after I'm trapped, that I will kill myself. Yes, let me repeat it, ladies and gentlemen. It is now the official position of the Maharashtra government that they will encircle me with a litany of false cases, attack me, create a set of circumstances that will compel me, in their view, to commit suicide. And viewers, this comes after a top Congress leader in the Congress party headquarters in Maharashtra has also said on record that a team has been formed to somehow fix the Republic Media Network, to fix me. And the same words were used in that sting operation too, that I will be fixed. मैं फंस जाऊंगा. My dear viewers, this network, me personally, my career, and my life are not in the hands of these evil people. I am the proud son of an army officer. I come from a distinguished family of freedom fighters, people who have lived and died for the country. We are not the kind who kill themselves when dirty conspiracies are made against us. We will not commit suicide, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray. Parambir, I will not commit suicide. I know your friends are trying very hard, but they will not be able to create a series of circumstances that will commit me or compel me to commit suicide. And in any case, I want to ask today, how come you people know so much about suicide? I know some people have told you that these circumstances you are creating around me will force me to commit suicide, which is why you're saying so confidently. But let me tell you this today. Nawab Malik, Uddhav Thackeray, and Parambir, hear me. Lies will commit suicide, not me. Conspiracy will commit suicide, not me. The fraud case you have filed against us will commit suicide, not me. Your falsehoods will commit suicide, not me. And to Lutyens, The Lutyens plot against me will commit suicide, not me. Now let me make a prophetic remark. For when you are with the truth, you know the future. And the future is only that the truth wins. This has been my only philosophy in life. We will take the hits in the short term to stand by the truth, in the firm belief that on the other side of the mountain is a world where only the truth wins. And we've seen on the other side, the truth is going to win. I'm placing this in the public domain today so that all and everyone, the courts, the governments, the right-thinking people of this country, and even my friends in Lutyens who take so much pride in the fact that they can all come together against me, that you all realize today, beware when the truth wins. I owe none of the people who are trying to encircle us anything in life. So we are fighting and we will win. But I say to them again, Parambir, beware when the truth will win. I call this in simple terms a criminal conspiracy against Republic, fabrication of evidence against Republic. And you decide, viewers, whether this is abetment to suicide or attempt at homicide. Whether I should charge them with attempt to murder or abetment to suicide. So I place this on record today, viewers, and let me tell everyone, including Lutyens, this country has changed. In another time, another world, you might have been able to force a journalist who didn't agree with you to commit suicide. But this is 2020. This is me. This is our time. This is our country. This is our network. We will win. You beware when we win. Viewers, I have three debates. On debate number 1 tonight, the real intent of Parambir Singh has been exposed. On debate number 2 tonight, a secret deal between Rahul Gandhi and the PFI. And 10:30 p.m. tonight, viewers, a complete implosion in Pakistan. All this and more is coming up, and here are the headlines this Wednesday evening on the debate tonight.
वो अपने हाथ से अपने आप को पागल तो कभी भी मेरे को डर लग रहा है कि सुसाइड ना कर ले.
They want to harass and torment me to the point of committing suicide. The game of Parambir's political masters has been completely exposed. Their lies, their conspiracy, their utter falsehoods will commit suicide. Not me. The entire nation stands with the Republic team. No proof in hand, Parambir gets desperate. Sources close to him say he wants a series of fake FIRs now against Republic at any cost. Republic TV executive editor Niranjan Narayan Swamy interrogated by the Mumbai Police Crime Branch by encounter specialist Sachin Vaze and his team for close to 9 hours. Republic reveals the truth of how Rahul Gandhi fights for the release of PFI member arrested for the Hathras riot conspiracy. And from Baluchistan to Sindh, there is complete implosion in Pakistan. Imran faces a massive national rebellion. And ladies and gentlemen, the conspiracy and hatred of Parambir Singh and his patrons in the Maha Vikas Aghadi government against me is so deep that they want me to have some kind of a mental breakdown after a series of fake cases. They say on record that they have made plans to trap me. They say the evidence does not matter, that I will eventually be encircled in their trap and that I will probably commit suicide. Their plot is so vicious, so sinister, that at first sight, it seems unbelievable. But tonight I tell them, and I repeat again, I will not commit suicide. Your lies, your conspiracy, and the Lutyens' plot against me will commit suicide, not me. Hear what the sitting minister said to our sting cameras when it rolled without his knowledge, and then we debate.
October 8th, 2020. The beginning of a highly motivated and malicious campaign against the Republic Media Network unleashed by Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh.
BARC ने जो अपनी एनालिटिकल रिपोर्ट सबमिट की है, उसमें जो नाम सामने आया है वो है रिपब्लिक टेलीविजन का, जिसमें के सस्पिशन ट्रेंड्स टीआरपी के देखे गए.
He lied. We've proven that fact with hard evidence.
कोई एक्शन होती रिपब्लिक के खिलाफ या आपके कंपनी के खिलाफ तो बार आपको चिट्ठी लिखती है और आपसे दस्तावेज मांगती है. दस्तावेज हम देते हैं आपको, मगर ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है.
In the last 13 days, bit by bit, we've exposed the deep conspiracy. A conspiracy that was even discussed inside the Maharashtra Congress headquarters.
कौन कौन इन्वॉल्व है?
ऑलरेडी वो टीम है ना एक, तो जी ने ऑलरेडी ये कर दिया है कि आप इसके पीछे रहेंगे, आपको दूसरा कोई काम नहीं करना. इसको समझ में आना चाहिए कि क्या बोलता है.
Today, through another sting operation, we reveal how the plot is even more dangerous and vicious. A sitting minister in the Maharashtra government and a senior leader of Sharad Pawar's NCP is stung.
May I come in, sir?
We're going to broadcast relevant portions of the 40-minute conversation with Nawab Malik as it exposes the real motive of the government and the preconceived agenda of political bosses. Listen in.
है चल रहा है केस वैसे. यही तो सर आपसे जानना है कि क्यों रिपब्लिक के पीछे पड़े हो आप?
कौन पड़े?
सरकार.
वो अपने हाथ से अपने आप को पागल. तो कभी तो मेरे को डर लग रहा है सुसाइड में रख ले. क्या होता है जो लीडर में जा रहा है ना वो क्योंकि अंदर बैठा है, वो सेल्फ इम्पोज है, उसको लग रहा है दुनिया ऐसी चल रही है और सडन कभी मालूम पड़ेगा कि कुछ नहीं, इसमें फेक इसमें बैठा हूँ, फिर आदमी कुछ भी करता ना. उसको ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं पूरा सिस्टम को मैं मेरे दिमाग से चलेगा, मैं सब चीजों को ऐसे कर सकता हूँ, ऐसे कर सकता हूँ. तो एक दिन पता चला कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा तो आदमी फिर अलग उसमें चला जाता ना.
Yes, you heard that right. The Maharashtra cabinet minister says, sounding almost sure, that Arnab may commit suicide. Listen again.
वो अपने हाथ से अपने आप को पागल. तो कभी तो मेरे को डर लग रहा है सुसाइड में रख ले. क्या होता है जो लीडर में जा रहा है ना वो क्योंकि अंदर बैठा है, वो सेल्फ इम्पोज है, उसको लग रहा है दुनिया ऐसी चल रही है और सडन कभी मालूम पड़ेगा कि कुछ नहीं, इसमें फेक इसमें बैठा हूँ, फिर आदमी कुछ भी करता ना.
Everything's falling in place now. The fabricated evidences and frivolous cases filed at the behest of this man's political masters. The Maharashtra cabinet minister gives us all the more reason to believe it's 100% vendetta with this claim.
So किस स्ट्रैटेजी पे चल रही है अभी?
फेक इससे नहीं चलती दुनिया.
सरकार का क्या कहना है?
कुछ नहीं होता, टीआरपी में फंसी गया ना वो.
सर बट BARC का जो अब सामने आया लेटर, उस लेटर में सर अगर आप टीआरपी अगर सब देख ले
तो क्लियर कट होता हूँ तो फंस जाएगा. आपको क्लियर कट
सो बट बार के लेटर ने तो क्लियर कर दिया है कि रिपब्लिक का नाम है ही नहीं, कोई माल फंक्शन नहीं हुआ है, कुछ नहीं हुआ है.
उसमें आएगा ना
सर बट जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की सर आपको कितना रेलेवेंट लगता है वो?
तो तुम्हारे एंगल से कुछ भी तुम्हारे चैनल में जो दिखाने का दिखाओ ना, तो उसको कोई रोक रहा है क्या? लेकिन झंझट है. अरे ये कोई पुलिस ने नहीं किया, ये सो मोटो हंसा वालों ने कंप्लेंट किया.
सर बट यही तो है ना सर, एक्चुअली हंसा रिपोर्ट हो या BARC का रिपोर्ट हो, दोनों में भी रिपब्लिक स्पेसिफिक नाम है.
हेलो ऐसा नाम नहीं होता ना. एक हुआ कि फला एक घटना हुई है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन में बहुत कुछ निकलने लगता है ना. ये नहीं मालूम, मैं उसको ध्यान में नहीं देता हूँ, लेकिन सब गड़बड़ी चल रही है।
129 days after all of them said Sushant committed suicide, a similar narrative is being built in Arnab's case.
आप लोगों का क्या प्लान है सर, वो बताइए, मतलब हम तैयार हो जाए।
कहीं तो प्लान है, क्या है, ऐसा है ये आदमी, क्या है ये आदमी को बहुत कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, ये मेरे को डर लग रहा है कहीं ये कुछ अपने उसमें वो अलग उसमें ना चला जाए। क्या होता है, ये पागलपन है, ये फोबिया क्रिएट हो जाता है, एक टाइम आने के बाद ये फोबिया बन जाता है।
देशमुख साहब, अर्नब को फंसाने की कोशिश हो रही है सर पूरी सरकार, पूरा तंत्र अर्नब के खिलाफ लगा हुआ है। देशमुख साहब, पूरा तंत्र अर्नब के खिलाफ लगा हुआ है सर। नवाब मलिक साहब, सर पूरा तंत्र सर अर्नब को फंसाने की कोशिश। सर नवाब मलिक साहब ने कहा है कि वो खुदकुशी कर लेंगे, पूरा तंत्र, पूरा सिस्टम। सर अर्नब से सर डर किस बात का सर रिपब्लिक से डर किस बात का? देशमुख साहब रिपब्लिक से डर किस बात का? देशमुख साहब, अनिल देशमुख को आप देख रहे हैं, हम लगातार सवाल पूछने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। देशमुख साहब, अर्नब से डर किस बात का है? देशमुख साहब अर्नब से डर किस बात का? देशमुख साहब, रिपब्लिक के खिलाफ साजिश हो रही है। देशमुख साहब, अनिल देशमुख को आप देख रहे हैं। अनिल देशमुख साहब, सर रिपब्लिक के सवालों से सर डर किस बात का? सर नवाब मलिक कह रहे हैं कि साजिश हो रही, फंसाया जा रहा है सर।
They want to trap Arnab in fake cases and in the process want to drive him to the edge. But they don't know what he's made of.
जो झूठ है वो सुसाइड करेगी सुनील शुक्ला, मैं सुसाइड नहीं करूंगा, मैं लड़ूंगा इन लोगों से। जो लोग सुशांत के खिलाफ खड़े थे, जिन्होंने झूठ फैलाया, वो झूठ उनका सुसाइड करेगा।
Close to 3 lakh tweets and counting, the support from across the country has been overwhelming to say the least.
आपके साथ ना 130 करोड़ जो जनता खड़ी है ना, वो आपको अपने घर का सदस्य मानते हैं। अब मानोगे नहीं, वो लोग रोते हैं। They tell me, they are telling me कि वो लोग रोते हैं और वो बताते हैं कि हम लोग अर्नब को कितना मानते हैं।
And a demand for action against the police commissioner, who's getting extremely desperate now that the first case against Republic is crumbling.
हमको लगता है कि अगर ये फॉल्स एंड मैलिशियस प्रोसिक्यूशन प्रूव हो जाएगा तो उन पर प्रोसीडिंग भी चलेगी।
A sting operation that exposes the extent to which a state machinery can be used by vested political interests to shut down India's most watched news media network by trying to trap and frame its editor-in-chief in fake cases. A sting operation where a sitting minister very casually talks about the possibility of Arnab committing suicide. This is the biggest and most conclusive proof of witch hunt by a vendetta-driven state government. The agenda stands completely exposed. A Republic SIT exclusive.
I'd like to open with Gaurav and Ravi Srivastava on the debate this evening. And Anand, Ishkaran, Raghav Avasthi, Madhukeshwar, Barnali Basak, Royden Roach, Sanjay and Alimuddin. It's a very serious matter that we are here to discuss. I'll put it very simply. It has been now, through our reporting over the last few days, every day a new element emerges. But the common theme of all of this, Gaurav, and you can debate with Ravi on this, the common theme of all of this, and I request Ravi also to consider the impact of every statement that you make on an important issue like this for our democracy. The common theme has been that a fabrication of false cases which has been admitted, A. B, it has been admitted that the attempt is to, 1, trap us, 2, fix us, and these are not said by any person. Senior Congress leaders, cabinet ministers are all on record to say we have to trap Republic. And now they have said that the entire trapping might lead to a situation where Arnab Goswami may commit suicide. So I think we are all here to debate that the consequences of a situation, Gaurav, where it is said that the editor-in-chief of the largest news network in the world's largest democracy will be driven to kill himself by fabrication of a series of cases against him of all kinds. So can we please place our views on the matter? I'd like Gaurav to start and then maybe Ravi can take over. Please, viewers.
Okay, Arnab, we debate on issues, but today's debate is a debate where I personally want to tell you that God gave you long life. Nobody can tarnish your image. Nobody can take away the courage that you have shown. And I've known you personally, and I say this with some authority. Let me say this also, that, you know, if it was not Republic Channel, say if it was some other channel, I would still be saying the same. And what would I be saying? This is a clear-cut case where state machinery is being abused to destroy the fourth pillar of democracy, and that is the media. And I was just seeing Anil Deshmukh, the minister who was blabbering when he was not supposed to, and he said Sushant Singh Rajput's case is a suicide case. And today, when your reporters were bravely asking him that one question, that what do you have to say on the sting, he kept numb. He was afraid. And as a lawyer, I tell you, Arnab, that this is a case. All the FIRs that have been registered against your channel, against you, will not withstand the judicial scrutiny. They will be quashed as per the judgment of the Supreme Court. And Arnab.
Yeah, I will come to that.
Arnab, one more point. To the entire media of the country, I will only say one thing. In the end, we will not remember the words of the enemy. We will remember the silence of the friends. Because you may have differences with Republic, but how can you take an assault on the media of the country? That is the larger question that I am raising.
And on every single day, more evidence begins to come out. Now, there is obviously something that the Maharashtra government has to hide. I place one fact before you. Yesterday, the CBI said it will investigate the TRP scam. Now, this investigation is the biggest fraud in the country. Parambir Singh is doing a fraud investigation, and I'll tell you why. There is something they want to hide, Anand, Ishkaran, because I've just got breaking news that the moment the Maharashtra government realized that its fraud investigation in Maharashtra might be investigated by the CBI, which therefore means that Parambir Singh will be called by the CBI, his phone call records will be checked, whether he spoke to other media channels before the press conference will be checked, and now that Uddhav knows that the whole conspiracy, India's largest conspiracy, the fake TRP scam to fix Republic, will be in the public domain. I have been told that 15 minutes back, the Maharashtra government has issued an extraordinary circular, viewers. Breaking news on the channel, our executive editor, Abhishek Kapoor. This has become a gigantic political story right now. It's become a massive political development right now. Just now, Rhythm will tell you, let me tell you this. I have in my hands, and this is absolutely shocking, viewers. The Maharashtra government extraordinary order has said, we hereby withdraw consent to the members of the Delhi Police Special Establishment Act to investigate any case under Maharashtra. My God. Ishkaran, look at the reaction. That means they are really hiding something. And Abhishek and Aishwarya, let them break the story. Abhishek and Rhythm, can let them break the story? I'll come to you. Abhishek, what does this mean? 2 lines. What does this mean?
Make no mistake. This is aimed at Republic investigation and to shield it from CBI oversight. And that's why, because had the general consent been there, the CBI could have brought in the investigation. Yes.
That means they try to fix us. They're worried about being exposed now.
Yes.
They're protecting Parambir.
Yes. Absolutely. And I must add, Arnab, that it does not stop the Supreme Court from asking the case to be transferred to the CBI.
Exactly. They are worried. They are worried that Parambir may be picked up tomorrow. They are worried that Parambir may be interrogated tomorrow by the CBI. No, that's what they are worried about. Rhythm. This is becoming a massive political story. Rhythm. Panic in the Maharashtra government now. Panic.
We've been seeing the panic grow in the last few days. We've seen Parambir question why Republic investigation is getting stronger. They have no leads. Remember, 13 days after the press conference, they have nothing on us on the TRP case. Very shockingly, the moment yesterday the UP case is registered with the CBI, today we are told that this case can easily go with the CBI. That's a prayer we've made, and that's also a corollary because the TRP real scam is a pan-India jurisdiction case. Today, the Uddhav government immediately says we withdraw consent to the CBI. This is yet another way that
absolutely
Uddhav is
the TRP case comes at the center of a massive political controversy, but the critical issue also is the whole conspiracy comes out. I'd say it simply. I don't want to say it, I don't want to sound ominous about it, I don't think it will ever happen. But they would like to see me dead. They would like to see my network dead, and they have articulated in as many words today.
Yes. Arnab, aap to Amrit Arnab hai.
No, but they have said it. We think he will commit suicide. When does a politician say, we think this editor will be fixed? Yes. When does the politician say, we will fix this editor and he may kill himself? Now, I want to say one thing. Had they said this about any Lutyens editor, I would have wanted to know what would have happened in Lutyens.
Arnab,
Candle marches. Yes, please. Ishkaran.
One small point here, Arnab. Just before I sat down, I saw this circular, and the minute this circular came out, the minute you saw Maharashtra government withdrawing consent from CBI, I knew they were fully trapped. Let us understand, TRP, if it is at all manipulated, is a national scam because it is all states reporting. So prima facie, a scam which will be operating in all states and all union territories needs to be investigated.
Ravi is debating with Ishkaran.
Now the minute CBI started operating into it, please, Ravi, this is a serious debate. This is a serious debate. This is about life and death. This is a life and death.
Of course it's a serious debate.
Of channel and of Arnab Goswami. So please don't interrupt in this. Please don't interrupt in this. This is very serious.
Show me one letter from CBI that they have started any investigation into TRP case.
Mr. Ishkaran Bhandari, Maharashtra police so worried now that after 15 days or 12 days of the press conference in the High Court, they had to say Arnab is not involved, Republic is not involved, in the sense their name is not even in the FIR. And now when CBI will investigate, they said the 40,000 crore scam. So just investigating a 40,000 crore scam. What do you have to hide? Why do you want to hide? How this scam was entirely perpetrated? That shows this entire action.
No, but I want to go back. I want to go back to another issue, which is viewers. I want to address another issue. And that issue, allow me a minute, please. That issue, I want to pick up with Royden and Madhu. Anand, just coming to you. I want to pick up this Royden and Madhu. I have a good fight left in me. 1 minute. I have a good fight left in me. I wonder, Madhu, what is their hurry to see me dead? A. B. They say I will be encircled in their conspiracy, and now I have it on record. First of all, the bigger issue emerges. How did a cabinet minister determine the course of the investigation unless the cabinet minister is part of a political plot? And how is he getting feedback? And when he's being told, he says, don't worry about the facts, don't worry about the Bark report. Ye fasega, which means it's a predetermined conclusion. Now, these people say they will circle me in what is called a Chakravyu. Now, I am not Abhimanyu, Madhu, to die encircled by a Chakravyu. I would rather have Arjun as my role model, because only I know how to challenge a Chakravyu and demolish it single-handedly. And viewers, if you stay with me over the next few days, I assure you, I offer you the best seats. In the Republic Network, I will show you every day how I am going to break these evil people's Chakravyu. Question is, however, a conspiracy by a group of politicians to create a situation to kill an editor-in-chief of the country's largest network. I would want a debate on that. Madhu, you've seen worse, but I think this is the pits.
Yes, I agree with you. This is really the bottom pits. And what was said during the emergency about the media, that they were asked to bend, but they actually began crawling, is very true for Lutyens media today, even more true than it was during the emergency.
Issue is, how is the Minority Affairs Minister of Maharashtra saying, Anand, that we will get him trapped? The question is, a minority affairs minister of Maharashtra says, we will trap him. He will get trapped. Let me tell you clear cut, he will get trapped. And then says, it may be a situation where he may commit suicide.
Maharashtra, they are trying to target you. That's what's happening.
Yeah, so...
See, both of you are trying...
No, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
You want to go against them and they want to go against you.
Mr. Roach,
and they're going to set a trap for you. And you're falling into the trap.
I don't fall into any trap.
Into the trap, Arnab. That's what's happening.
Thank you, Royden.
Royden. You're creating and you're doing it.
Royden, it's a far more serious matter than that.
Understand one thing, Arnab. Why is that?
Mr. Roach.
It's a far more serious matter than that.
It is a serious matter. But let me tell you one thing. The government of Maharashtra is going to target you. And you are targeting them the same way.
No, I'm not. Please be very careful of the choice of your words. I put my stories out in the public domain.
No, that's...
They conspire against me in secret. Don't you dare compare. Don't you dare put a comparison. Anand.
No, Arnab, it is going to happen. They will do it in secret.
Yes.
They will do it in secret.
No.
You are doing it openly.
Oh, Mr. Roach, please.
No doubt about it.
Anand.
Yeah, when you speak, others have to listen.
Yes, Arnab, the fact...
You have a dirty habit of stopping others on the channel.
Debate the issue. Talk about the issue.
I'm saying the question was asked of me, not you. I let you have 2 minutes of your time. Now, please be silent. Please. Have some. This is a serious matter.
It's always that you do this.
Thank you. You will have your say.
Everyone.
Now, oh God.
Other panelists also.
What are you talking about? Always do this. I gave you 2 minutes. It was my time. You've eaten up into my time. And that reflects physically on you.
You give us
Please be quiet.
You take 6 minutes. This is what you do always.
1 minute. Mr. Roach, let me tell you before you interrupt Anand again, 1 minute. I must set the record straight on this. I refuse to be compared to people like Nawab Malik and Parambir. Now let me tell you, I have never worked to create a situation where I go on record and I say that because of a conspiracy I create, I hope somebody or I think somebody will commit suicide. So don't make these comparisons. Anand, please.
Yes, Arnab, it is very clear that the Maharashtra government has turned democracy into a reality show. But there is a difference. While the big boss is in Delhi, let's call this a little boss or little bosses. And it is astonishing. How dare they come and say that Arnab might kill himself. You know, Arnab, I've known of you since college, and just to tickle your self-deprecating humor bone, the only way you can be killed is if your vocal cords burst. And believe me, they are made of titanium. But let us look at the facts in front of us. There are 200 FIRs registered against you as I speak. Your journalists have been arrested. Your journalists have been detained. Your journalists have been produced in front of police, their phones snatched. Your CEO, everyone has been taken during COVID, interrogated for hours on end. This is the Maharashtra government. Now let's come to Mr. Parambir Singh. You know, it's all very well when some people say that the Mumbai police is still very good, except for a little bit of rotten apples. I'm sorry, I disagree. An army is always only as good as its general. It is the general who leads the army up the mountain or down the cliff. Now, in any decent civilized society with a democratic setup, Mr. Parambir Singh would have resigned. He would have resigned for what the multiple faux pas he has been committing over the last week. The FIR, Mr. Ravi Srivastava, Mr. Ravi Srivastava, I know Mr. Parambir Singh might be your favorite. I know.
Well, I add here, bringing Raghav in. There is an attempt to say that we will put so many fake cases on Arnab and on Republic that Arnab may commit suicide. But Anand, Raghav, those who think that they can intimidate, psychologically attack and push me to the corner and make me commit suicide need to wake up. Because I will not commit suicide, Raghav. Something else will. The lies spread by Parambir Singh in the sham of a press conference where he accused Republic of TRP manipulation will commit suicide. The conspiracy to malign Republic Media Network and denigrate our honest earnings by calling the revenue generated as proceeds of crime, that will commit suicide. Raghav is on the debate. Raghav and Sanjay.
Who has literally made it big in this journalistic world through sheer dint of his hard work and merit. People like you don't commit suicide. You are not weak.
How is he going to do that?
And the support of 101.3 billion countrymen is with you. These fake cases are nothing. They are just an attempt to harass you. Here the process is, they are trying to act in such a way that the process becomes the punishment for you.
No, and Sanjay Chadda, let me tell you. And Sanjay Chadda, let me tell you, the lie that the Hansa report named Republic. And today, viewers, we won in court. Hansa went to the court to say we should not be allowed to use their report. We won in court. Sanjay, the lie that the Hansa report named Republic when in fact it named India today, that lie will commit suicide. The lie that BARC, and I challenge BARC to say, I want the people of India. You ask BARC, you ask the rating agency, have they found anything against me so far? Nothing. No, but they will not speak the truth because maybe they are under pressure from the Mumbai police. I'm asking you today, that lie about BARC naming me, that lie will commit suicide, not me.
The letter you are saying is already been withdrawn by BARC. And BARC has already stated. BARC has stated that they have never done so. They have never issued any letter to you. And they have also said that they are going to take an action. Now, as far as this Nawab Malik's interview is concerned, you have to see the interview.
This gentleman doesn't know the facts. My God, Arnab, this is ridiculous. I would have expected this gentleman who is saying the BARC did not write an email to Republic at least know of the facts.
They have withdrawn.
BARC did indeed write an email to Republic.
BARC has written an email to Republic. You have a copy of the email, Sanjay Chadda? I'm saying here tonight, viewers, 1 minute. Television is a transparent medium. 1 minute, Sanjay. Sanjay, 1 minute. Sanjay, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. I said 1 minute. Sanjay Chadda.
Arnab, can I come?
I will tell you I need to place this in a public domain for a minute, viewers.
Please do.
I have written a letter to BARC. Tell the people of India the truth. You have written me a private email. There is a national controversy about this TRP issue. I'm saying this today. BARC, you have told me that there is nothing against Republic, no Vigilance Committee report, no malpractice. Have the honesty to tell the people of the country this. And I'm going on record with it.
Yes.
If I'm lying, sue me. If I'm lying, sue me. But don't put out emails saying I misrepresent you. I have not misrepresented you. I have in my phone your email. You are misrepresenting the facts.
I need to clarify.
You are misrepresenting the facts. The second point is, I find it horrific today. I find it horrific today that the entire media is silent. It doesn't impact us. Gaurav, truly it doesn't impact us. But there are larger issues out here that are at stake.
Yes, absolutely, Arnab, and I just want to speak about the larger issue. Look at the hypocrisy of the people, the Tukde Tukde gang, the Award Wapsi gang, the candlelight marches. And why do I say that? I remember your debate, we were participating and discussing. Please ask him to be quiet or lower his fader, Arnab. Let's have a meaningful debate. Somebody is shouting, I don't know. Maybe his seat is burning or his heart is burning. Please ask him to be quiet. Let's be civil in our discussions. Please. You want to go first? Okay, you speak first. I'll respond after you.
Okay, go first, but finish your point, Sanjay.
Please go ahead. Go ahead.
Or talk about the issue. That's what I'm saying. Don't talk about Tukde gang and all that.
With your permission.
Which you know that much.
With your permission, can I speak now?
We will talk about the issue, but at least you should have some facts with you. Are you a lawyer or have you just hopped onto Big Boss reality show? Where are the facts? Why are you lying on live television?
The fact is there.
Roydon and Ravi now. Thank you.
Now let me clarify this, Arnab.
Anand bhai, can I just complete?
Now, please let me clarify this. You see, BARC.
See, I would like to.
Okay, sorry, Gaurav, please carry on.
On this.
Gaurav, please carry on.
Clarification is we should understand
you
one
go
thing.
ahead, Anand. I'll speak after you. That's not an issue. You want to make some
Gaurav,
point?
you cannot even talk about
Arnab, now this is very important, please.
Because the Home Minister with Amit Shah clearly mentioned.
Arey bhai, who was talking about Tukde gang?
Nothing known as Tukde gang.
We were talking about BARC.
We are talking about BARC. We are talking about the TRP scam. Be clear about it.
Anand, you haven't. No,
yes.
You haven't heard.
We are talking about a government. We are talking about a government that wants to fix a network whose members are on record that they want to fix a network. Why don't we want to debate that?
Indeed.
That is the only subject to debate.
Expose the shallowness of BARC.
I would like to tell you one thing.
Anand is on the debate. Anand and Alimuddin now on the debate. Anand.
Yes. Correct. Arnab, it is beyond doubt and reproach that the Republic TV network received an email from BARC. And the email said that there is prima facie no case that the BARC has constituted against Republic. Now, after you made that public, BARC has started complaining. Can I ask them why? I'll tell you why. It was important for
Anand.
to make it public. Because for a week, your
Anand!
wrongful impression that you had cheated. And that is absolutely wrong. That is leading your advertisers up the garden path. Now, does an institute like BARC, does it want that? Why is it complaining that that mail has been made public? It in fact should have been made public on day one. I don't understand how these institutions function. I am just shocked at their mediocrity and their lack of professionalism. If somebody's name is not there and somebody is being accused of being convicted, is it not incumbent upon BARC, the agency which is investigating, to come out and publicly say that Republic is not that channel? I don't understand. What kind of legal advice?
I will only say this. I will only say this. BARC must prove its neutrality in the matter. But I will not say more because I am communicating with them. The issue tonight is this. The issue tonight, and I want Barnali to come in. Barnali, this mindset that you can fix anyone in this country who is inconvenient.
This is how the country goes, actually. You know, whoever is in power and whoever is politically powerful, I mean, they think that they can buy the entire world. They can kill the spirit of democracy. That is what they feel, and this is what we have to kill it. The entire nation stands with you and your fearless journalism, and they are against that. Can they kill that?
The issue is, Anand, I want a vote on the fundamental issue. 1 minute. I want a vote on a fundamental issue. Please allow me. My vote is on a more fundamental issue, and that is, can you conspire to fix a network and kill an editor? And can you then bring the suicide narrative at work? And therefore, I find the comment of the very senior minister in Maharashtra that I will be fixed, my network will be fixed, मैं फंसाया जाऊंगा और मैं suicide करूंगा. I think this is a very serious matter. We can discuss technical matters later, but I want Madhu to come back on that. Madhu, would you like to say something on that?
It's a fake video.
Please, thank you. Thank you, Ravi. I was speaking to Madhu. Thank you. This is irritating me. Can you please? Again, now, if this man is going to be on air constantly in the right-hand side of the screen, I will not be able to debate. Thank you. I want a vote on the fundamental matter that you conspire to kill a journalist and attack a network by fixing it, and you're boasting about it. That's what we want to talk about tonight.
First thing that needs to be done is, I hope the government of India gives you adequate security, because we have seen how the Bombay mafia operates. Suddenly you start hearing about suicide and the person then has a mysterious death happening to him. So I hope they provide you with security, because your security is paramount in this thing. The fixing of you, I think the hunters have become the hunted after the CBI came in. The hunters are the hunted now after CBI came in. That is why they withdrew the consent, because they know facts should come out, because they know phone calls will come out, because they know messages will come out, because they know how this entire thing operated will come out.
I think I need to bring Abhishek in, and I want to make a point, and I'll overshoot my time today. Abhishek, we go back to the moot point. Royden, if you may give your constant, your keenness to listen to your own voice. A momentary break, please. Thank you. I think that the issue that emerges most importantly in all of this matter is, for the first time maybe in the history of the Indian media, a network that is being targeted is exposing through journalistic means the inside story and the conspiracy of those targeting them. So people say, Abhishek, you're in a battle. Yes, we are in a battle. They are using their unethical means. We are using our journalistic means to expose them. And therefore, it becomes extremely critical. And I will articulate my words well, please. Thank you, please. I am saying here today, Abhishek, it is extremely critical for people to know that a network is using its journalistic tools to expose the politicians who are using unethical means. This battle is of a kind that has never happened before, and we're the ones who will win. Abhishek.
Arnab, in fact, this is a battle we should be proud of, because with our conduct, we are making a government look feeble and not transparent and even dishonest. The manner in which today's decision is taken, for example, of withdrawing general consent, I mean, people are not fooled. They can see that this is a reaction to what has happened in the last 24 hours in terms of CBI getting a jurisdiction over this TRP scam or so-called TRP scam case, as also a court in the first half of the day deciding that the Hansa report sharing cannot be stopped, and it's not confidential to that extent. So this, despite the Mumbai police believing that Hansa report could not have been shared, is clearly a slap on the face of Maharashtra government, and we should be proud of this battle. Arnab, also to bark, I would say, Maunam Sammati Lakshanam. If you are silent, you are agreeing to what the Mumbai police is doing, and that compromises your neutrality, and that is something against which bars should take action by coming out with a statement in public.
Absolutely. I still believe, and I'm being told every day, that when BARC knows that you've committed no wrong and has told you so, why are they not saying so? What is the pressure on them? To everyone who asks me this question, I say, ask BARC. Ladies and gentlemen, on debate number 2 tonight, how Rahul Gandhi has betrayed Indian democracy by officially siding with the Popular Front of India. In a few minutes.